How to fix Google Photos face recognition not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Then go to the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have your Google Photos application updated to its latest version. So just go to Google Photos, and as you can see it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm gonna just go back and then make a long press on Google Photos over here. Then tap on App Info. After tapping on App Info, you'll be led to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So just tap on that and then clear cache. Tap on OK. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here for the smooth operation of the Google Photos application. Then go back and your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.